Hi ladies and gentlemen. Okay, this is just a quick one, with regards to the ongoing issues that I have with the DWP, the CHDA and the tribunal. Just want to highlight this issue. It says here that my case would have been sent via TNT via a purple polylobe, and according to this is not tracked and traced. Now, I would have thought that extremely sensitive information that includes people's medical data, address, telephone number, etc., would be sent via a secure courier service that is tracked and traced. And as you can see from the other email here, that this is standard mail. Now, from the telephone call that follows, which I've just had, she clearly states that it is sent via a secure email, courier service. Now, I have made responses to the DWP with regards to my file going missing, and they apparently, inverted commas, investigated, and they have stated that my file never went missing. So I have letters and telephone calls stating that it has gone missing. Now, I've also made a further subject access request with regards to what's happened to my missing file and other information which they've clearly neglected to submit to me, and they are refusing to do so. Anyway, I was interested if anyone else out there had this kind of issue with the DWP and the CHDA where their extremely sensitive information has been grossly mishandled. Please do comment, please do create videos. I also urge you all out there to execute your right to request a subject access request, and I also advise that when you do so, you request that they submit all audit trail information. Anyway, wishing you all a great week, and wish you all success with any issues that you may have with these nefarious and criminal organisations.
Good morning, the Centre of Health and Disability Assessment, Natalie speaking.
Oh yeah, good morning. I have a question, and it's probably most likely going to need to be directed to freedom of information, but I was wondering, how is sensitive information about a person's or a claimant sent in between different agencies, like from yourself to wherever an appointment might be held?
It depends which agency it was. If it's between assessment centres, information is usually sent by a courier, a track and trace courier.
Right, okay.
But it would depend what information and which services. But that's an internal thing anyway. It would be the same service.
Right, okay. I just wondered, when I make reference to sensitive information, I mean such things as medical diagnoses, address, telephone number, other personal identifying information. So,
yeah, I mean, like I say, it would depend which information and whereabouts it's going. It would depend which part of the service you were in and which information that you were asking about.
Right, well,
it would depend on all of that.
I would have thought that
when you claim for benefit, you sign to agree with the government that they use your data and use it with third parties as they wish and in accordance with their procedures.
Well, actually, their procedures and policies do not override the Data Protection Act.
No, they don't, but they will be in agreement with.
Right, okay.
So, like I say, it would depend which part of the information and which information and which part of the processes that you're looking for, as to whether or not I can be any more specific for you.
Right, the only thing is just case files. I would have thought that regardless of what the information is, if it's a person's sensitive information, it would be sent via some secure mail service.
I've just explained we use a track and trace courier
Right.
for the files themselves.
Right. Okay. Who would I actually speak to with regards to making a complaint about gross mishandling of data, which is a serious...
If I were you, I'd go to the data controllers at the Department for Work and Pensions. Is probably your best bet.
Right. Okay, that's great.
Do you have their address?
Yeah, I do. I think I do actually. I've got. I'll just search through it. I think I've got it here actually. So.
Yeah, data
Yeah.
controllers will be best placed to handle any information about the data that's held on you. If they need information from us about data pertaining to our services, they can then come to us and address that in one response to you.
Right. Is there any? I just wondered if there was any way of finding out who was actually sending my data without any due concern for how it's handled.
Yeah, like I say, the DWP data controllers oversee all of the data handled by our services on behalf of theirs.
Yeah, I know, I'm aware that they're the data handlers.
Yeah, but that's for the service, that's for all government services, so that includes information handled by private contractors such as ourselves. So yeah, the DWP data controllers would probably be the best people to go to find out about that as well.
Right.
Okay. They control how the data is handled with our services as well, because it's their data technically.
Right, because I have a subject access request here that states that my very, very sensitive information was not tracked nor traced, and apparently this is a standard procedure set by the DWP.
Yeah, like I say, if you direct that towards them, they can explain to you
right, because
why
this,
that was.
Right, this is a gross violation.
Correct or not.
Well, it's not correct. I know full well it's not correct.
Well, they will confirm that with you if it's not correct, sir.
Well, I'm actually quite well versed in law and the Data Protection Act, and I know full well that this isn't. But anyway, thanks for your help.
I'm sorry you've misheard me. I just explained that they would confirm if it's incorrect with you.
Right, well, I know full...
If you think it's incorrect, please check with them, and if they agree, they'll confirm it with you.
Well, considering my previous engagement with the DWP and their willful gross violation of various laws, acts, statutes, etc., it wouldn't surprise me that they would do all they can to cover it up. It's just that I am making this available online.
Yeah, they'll advise you about that as well.
So, alright, well, thanks for your help. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Okay, thank you. Bye.